In today's video, I'll show you how to enable IMAP in Zoho Mail, making it easier to manage your emails across multiple devices. This is perfect if you want all your messages synced between your phone, tablet, and computer. Start by opening your web browser and going to mailzoho.com. Log in with your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look to the top right corner for the gear icon and click it to open the settings panel. In the settings menu, find and click Mail Accounts, then navigate to the IMAP section. Here, scroll down until you see IMAP Access. IMAP allows your email client to sync with Zoho Mail. So actions like marking emails as read or moving messages are reflected on all devices. Look for the Enable IMAP toggle. If it's off, click it to turn IMAP on. You may see the switch change color or position indicating it's active. If a save button appears, click it to confirm your changes. And that's it! IMAP is now enabled and you can connect Zoho Mail to any IMAP compatible email client or device, keeping all your messages perfectly synchronized. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips to make your email experience smoother and more efficient.